What's up? I'm going to show you the lazy man's way to do a wheel stud, one of these things. So basically what I've done, I've just barely put it in there so it's not flush like this one, like it's supposed to be. But I have it just barely placed in there. Got some like 30-cent washers you can get from Home Depot. And then also you can go and get one of these lug nuts from AutoZone. I think this thing was like 99 cents. Another thing that helps is a impact wrench. You can do it with the breaker bar, but it's just a pain in the ass. I'll show you the easy way. So you'll get your impact wrench, put it on there, let it watch. It's almost there. Okay. It's kind of hard doing it with one hand, but we got it nice and flush. And then all you gotta do is put the wrench back on there, reverse it out, take these off, got yourself a nice new wheel stud.
Nice. Good job.
Look, it's leaking. See it?
Yeah, oh wow.
Oh, can you pull me out?
Yeah, good job.
Yeah, now I have to be careful to not lose the...
Yo! Bust like a motherfucking